Hi guys, I want to talk about airdrop farming and actually about exit strategy because I see so many newcomers who received their first airdrop recently. A few days ago from Starknet, I see the chats, communications, and they share strategies, ideas, and I have some opinion on this. I think the strategies could be not the best long term for farming. I don't want people have a bad experience, so I want to share my opinion and maybe it could help you as well. So, first of all, people are trying to claim the airdrop on day one at the very first seconds because they see the chart like $7, $4 for Starknet, for example. But please never even feel bad that you didn't sell at this price because it is the first strike. It's only market maker strike on exchanges. It's impossible to sell at this price. It just kind of part of the marketing at launch, so it's mostly impossible. And then I saw some people was trying to sell at $2, even they didn't feel very good at this price. But why you don't want to hold it for a longer period and keep at least for I don't know, 1-2 months, wait for $4, for example, because market conditions are good and the blockchain token itself is also good. You may like it or not, but it's obvious that a long-term Starknet could reach much higher prices rather than we see now. But actually, why people sell it and what they do? So this is the common strategy. Actually, I put it here. So people sell at the very first day at the low price. For example, now it's $2. And what they do, they invest all into other airdrops. For now, most people do it with Solana and ZkSync. They make more transactions with ZkSync, or some people do even more wallets now, especially people who are doing airdrop farming with so many wallets using some softwares. I saw some comments that one guy, he did 100 Starknet accounts and maybe 40-50% from them was illegal from the airdrop. He received, I don't know, bunch of tokens for 40 accounts, and now what he wants to do, invest in 1000 new ZkSync accounts, all those money from Starknet. But I don't really think that it's the best strategy because you never know, are you going to be legal? Is it going to be the same rules? So I don't think that it's a good idea to invest all your airdrop money for the new airdrops coming. And this is my kind of suggestion and strategy for you guys. So to keep the original token for at least 1/3 of your allocation for long term, because those projects could do much better in some period like 1 year, 2 years, because even with Celestia, what happened, it was $2 at launch, now it's $20, and I see so many people saying I'm regretting selling at launch, and it happens all the time. People say all the time, I regret selling the tokens from airdrop at launch. So I think it's a good strategy. The rest, 33% to get in USDT, to have some stable coins, because bull market coming, or it's already started. You may think differently, but it will be some more new crypto, and you want to benefit from it as well. So don't only think about airdrops. Please also start make your main portfolio for longer term, for the bull run. And yes, for 33%, I think it's a good idea to invest in the future airdrops, but please don't do it 100% all in from day one to another airdrops. And in this case, I think you are good, and it is actually the safe strategy, and in my opinion, kind of the most reasonable one.